Some children run into their mother's arms when they miss her. But for these little ones, missing is silent, lonely, and it never ends. They've learned what loss means far too early, not through stories, but through life itself. No warm hugs, no gentle voice at bedtime, only memories and prayers whispered in the dark. A child needs more than food. They need comfort. They need guidance. They need someone who cares. Someone who says, "You matter. You are not forgotten." Maybe that someone could be you. Across Syria, thousands of orphan children are waiting for support. Through Syria Cares Orphan Sponsorship Program, you are not only providing education, food, and daily needs, you're giving them hope, a chance to dream again. We may not change the whole world, but we can change the world for one child. Right now, open your heart. Share love. Share hope. Stand with an orphan. Thank you for not forgetting us.